All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their LED ceiling light for an unboxing video. Now this one has high brightness, high CRI, which is color rendering index. It's waterproof, 20,000 hours long service life, and it's 80% energy safe. A little info at the top shows you that's the round one. It is black, it's 18 watts, neutral light color, etc. A little bit of info there. Same picture here as on that side. This is a 9-inch model, in case you're wondering. Right there, 9-inch. And so this is not a setup or anything, just unboxing it so you can see what comes in here. Slide it out. That's it for the box. And so inside of here, be everything you'd need. So an installation manual, which seems to include all the info you would need to actually install this light in your ceiling. It also has all of the needed brackets and mounts and screws. And then this is the actual 9-inch light. So this part would just easily snap right out, where that you'd have your plate. Actually, it looks like there's 2 screws holding it, but you have your wires here as well. You'd wire those up and just twist this back on to its plate and you'd be good to go. Very, very thin, 9 inches diagonally, nice flush mount LED ceiling light. I really love this. Really wish we had a spot we could put it. We just sadly don't. But again, thanks to the company for sending it to us, as they just wanted an unboxing so people could see how it goes together. But like I said, undo these screws, you'd be able to get your plate to mount it to the ceiling, get it mounted to the ceiling and turn this on, and you should be good to go. So thanks again to the company for sending this 9-inch LED flush mount ceiling light to us, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.